Alright, here we are. We're doing a bike check on my Redline Flight 2011. This is a Pro XL. Let's see, we got a Pro XL 21 top 2. Cassette Sins Elite wheel, Tioga 2 times 1.75. We got the white Sins brakes, Rhythm seat climb quick release. We got a fly seat pose, Tioga Spider seat. And what else we got? We got Shimano Saints 175s with a Renin chain ring, pretty sweet. They're pretty light. And I got a Speedline half link, Shimano clipless pedals. What else? Since lever, white cable, and we got the Stay Strong grips. They're pretty sweet. I like them. Then right here we got a Since headset with a carbon spacer. Then we have a Snap 57mm stem with some Mikey Day fly bars. I believe they're like 28 inches, 8 the height. Of course, Mr. 366 bombshell forks. Kind of like them. I feel safe in them. And then Since Elite, the older version, and we have the DH Maxxis tires, 2 times 1.90. And that's it for Mr. 366. That's my bike. That's my baby.